Right. I'm going to. I'm creating this video because I'm studying for the OCA exams, Java OCA exams, and I'm struggling with the nested loops. And What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through this code, this program, line by line. Now, what do we need to do here? Let's start another way around. Let's see what this program is doing. Yeah. Right. We have a class public static void void. Okay, let's go to the interesting stuff. We have int rows equals 5. So we need 5 rows. This is the name. We call it rows. We can call it x. We can call it whatever. This value is the same value and stays the same throughout the whole life of the software. Yeah. Now let's go to the first for loop. We have 4 loops, one inside the other. Let's see what happens. For int equals 1, yeah, so we have int I equals 1. So we declare I and we set the value of 1. Now we're saying now we need to we checking if this is true. If this is true, we move down, yeah. If this is false, you get out of this loop. We have 2 loops, inner loop, and this and that bit is the outer loop. So when this gets false, we go here. We go out of this loop. So false, get out. If it's true, keep going. Right. 1. Is 1 smaller or equal to rows? Rows is 5. So is 1 smaller or equal to 5? Yes, it is. So this is true. So what do? We go to the next one. Let's ignore this for a moment. Yeah, we go to the next one. We have j here. What's the value of j? Again, we declare and set the value of 1. Is j, yeah, smaller or equal to I? What's the value of I? Value of I, we ignore this one, yeah. This happens later. So same for that one. So 1 here, j is equals 1. So 1 is equal to I because I is 1. So that's true. So because it's true, what do? We move down. If it's true, keep going down. If it's false, we go out. System out print, we print 1. We print j. What's the value of j? 1. Let's look at this. This one is here, is printed, plus a gap. So for the first, this is the gap here, down there. Look at it. That gap has been printed out because of the first iteration. Then what happens? Then j is increased. So plus plus 1 is 2. So we go back again to check this one. Is j smaller? Is j now is 2, yeah? We increased it here. Is 2 smaller or equal to 1? Right, that's a false. So what we do, this one, we get out, yeah? We get out, and what's the next one? System out print xx. This xx now is printed this xx. So first we print 1 and gap, and then because this is false, we print xx. And we go back to the outer loop, yeah? Outer loop. Unfortunately, I now is not 1. Why is not 1? Because we increase it here, yeah? What's the value of I now? Value of I is, come on, is 2. Great. 2 is 2. Again, we check the middle one. That's the first one is for the first iteration. After that, we simply forget it. It doesn't exist. So let's go back. Is 2 smaller or equal to 5? Yes, it's smaller than 5, yeah? Good. So what we do? Keep moving down. Because it's a new for, yeah, loop, this one, we start from the beginning. So j is 1. Why is j is 1? Because we get out of the loop. We left the loop. So the loop starts again. That's important to understand why this is 1 and it's not 2 or 3 or whatever. J is 1 because you get out of the loop. And I was 2, is 2, because we didn't get out of this loop. This loop is still true. So this one still exists. It holds its value. Yeah, it's gonna be 2. It's gonna be 3. When we get out of that loop, then we will start again. If, yeah, make sure you understand why this j is 1 again, and this one we started the second time from number 2. If you need to understand this one, right? So this is 1. J equals 1. Yeah, is 1 smaller or equal to I? What's the value of I? I is 2. Yeah, we increased it. That's it. Yes, it is. So what we do? System out, print. We print 1. That's the first one of the second column. Yeah, plus a gap, which is this gap here. Yeah, and then what we do? We increase the j. J goes 2. Yeah, is 2 smaller or equal to 2? I is 2. Yes, it is. So we print out j, which is 2. So now, next time, it prints this 2 plus the gap. Yeah, plus this gap. That's what the second iteration. Third iteration, it becomes 3. Is 3, yeah, here. Is 3 smaller or equal to 2? No, it's not. So we go out and we print the xx, and now we print the xx, yeah? And then go back to the for loop. We haven't gone out of the for loop yet. This statement, it has always been true. Always so far. That's why we keep incrementing it. If it goes false, then we will start again. But for the time being, it's true, yeah? So now it's 3. We increased it. It goes 2. Now it becomes 3. 3. Is 3 smaller than 5? 5. Rows is always 5. Yes, it is. So we go to the next one again. And be careful. J is 1 because we get out and we start all over again. 1 smaller than 3. Press print 1. This first one is printing now, plus the gap. Then becomes 2. 2 smaller than 3, yeah? Print 2 plus gap. 2, that 2 on the third line, plus the gap here, that gap, yeah? Make sure you understand what we print out each time, it's important. 3 is equals to 3. 3 plus gap. 4 is not, that's false. We get out and we hit on that one, so we print out the xx. If I change this and I make 8, it's gonna print out 8 columns. Yeah? So, we start from outside, we're going inside, we keep looping this thing again and again and again and again until it becomes false. As soon as it becomes false, we're moving down. If it's true, we keep repeating it, we keep repeating it, we keep repeating it, yeah? Good. I hope I helped a bit, at least. Thank you.